you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. Thank you guys for being here today. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Guys, if you are new to this channel, new to the strat, new to trading, or are struggling in your trading, this channel and this strategy is going to change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. But the first thing you need to do is go click that subscribe button, then hit that bell. That bell is the important part. It gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay, this is our watch list for Tuesday, July 12th, and I send these videos out for you guys every single day. I do these videos, I do top fives, I do weekly swings, monthly swings. I've got over 200 videos for you guys to learn how to trade in the stock market, how to trade consistently, how to trade profitably, okay? How to get your entries, your exits, how to manage trades, the different setups that come with playing the strat. Okay, the list goes on and on and on and on. I also send out tweets on Twitter throughout the day. I did one today for SPY on a 1 hour inside bar. It ended up being a double inside bar, which is like a stock market cheat code. It's like magic beans. Okay, double inside bars are dynamite. And I put out a play today for you guys to follow along. I did 49% on it. I know a bunch of you did really, really well on it because you let me know in my DMs. Okay, so awesome for you guys. I'm glad you guys caught it. I'm glad I was able to send that out for you guys. Okay, a couple other things. Number one, the platform we use here is TradingView. If you have never used TradingView before and you are looking for a platform, there's a link in the description below. That link will give you a free 30-day trial. And then if you decide to subscribe with TradingView and use it, there is up to $30 off depending on the subscription that you choose. Okay, so that link is in the description below. The ads, guys, I know they suck. Nobody likes them. Let them roll through because those ads let me keep these videos going for you guys for free. Okay, I don't want you guys to have to pay to watch these videos. I want to continue to push them out to you guys for free without having them in a paid Discord. Okay, nothing wrong with paid Discords. I just don't want to do that for you guys. Okay, so let those ads roll through. Go grab a drink, go grab a snack, come back, and we'll get at it. Okay, the other thing is the Griswold Strat Indicator. I've come out with a Strat Indicator. It combines a whole bunch of different indicators into one. Okay, you will not find it in your indicator tab. The only place you can get it is down below in the description. You click the link, or in my Twitter profile, you click the Linktree link, and there's a link in there to purchase the indicator, okay, and you'll get it sent to you through an email. $25 one-time fee. It paints these inside bars for you, gives you the inside bar tabs, paints the outside bars for you, gives you the outside bar tabs, gives you the candlestick numbers, paints the double or the outside inside bars for you. It highlights in yellow. It highlights the double inside bars for you in a blue. Okay, it also includes Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% indicators on the day, the week, and the month. Okay, so go grab that now. Let's get into the list, guys. First on the list, what did we just talk about? Those double inside bars, the magic beans, the stock market hack, okay? It was awesome on SPY today. It did really well on, I think, CCL today, Roblox the other day. A bunch of stratters took Roblox the other day for wicked good gains. CCL was the same today. And then we caught that double inside bar on the hourly today. I did a video on it, so go check that out. It's in the SPY playlist. It's in the Learning Tools playlist, okay? Double inside bars, guys. Inside bars or one bars show consolidation within a stock. They're a tightening range. They do not break the high, and they do not break the low of the previous candle. They stay within that range. And we've done that for 2 days here. Inside bar, inside bar. And when I first started trading options, and became successful at it, I used to just buy blindly. I didn't really have I was guessing on what I thought was going to happen, and I did that for a long time, and it doesn't work. It might work here or there, but in the long run, it does not work. So I found out about inside bars, and then I just concentrated on inside bars, and that's all I played. And I got really, really good at them, and then I found out about the strat, and I went to a whole different level once I found out about the strat. But inside bars are 3-1 bars, like you see right here. That's all I used to play, guys. And if you're looking for something to concentrate on, that's what I would tell you guys to go to. OG Trades would tell you to do the same thing because they're easy to play. They're easy to find, and there's a bunch of different setups when it comes to them, okay? So double inside bars, we can go back and look. We had one right here. And when we opened here, we triggered, and we hit a bunch of targets, okay? So this double inside bar did really, really well for us, okay? And we can go back and see if there was one more here. And that's the good thing about this indicator. We can go back. We can see all the past 3-1 setups. We can see the past double inside bar setups. Okay, and there it is. And look at this run. Okay, I'm telling you, it's a stock, and I shouldn't say this. It's a stock market hack. It's not foolproof, okay? It doesn't work all the time, but it's magic beans, okay? Trigger. And we didn't hit this target, but this is a really good win. And then it just came tumbling down for 3 straight days. If you would have held this for 3 days, you would have been gold. Okay? So, double inside bars, magic beans, stock market hack, stock market cheat code. They are great. Okay? And I will be playing GME tomorrow, as long as the spread between the bid and the ask is not too far apart, because I don't really like to jump in when they are too far apart. I like to see them very close, 5 to 10% or less. Okay, so inside bar, calls at 131.72, puts at 124.46. The bottom target is marked here. I will mark the top target for you. And I haven't even marked all of the triggers for you guys on all of these plays, so we're going to go through some of them together. And there is your target to the upside, and here is our weekly trigger, okay? So if we go to the weekly, there it is. We are looking for a 2 down, 2 up reversal. We have good time frame continuity on this as well with the day, week, month, quarterly. And this is part of the Griswold strat indicator, this time frame right here. So that is part of the indicator as well. It gives you all that stuff all in one shot. CRM. We'll go to CRM, and CRM had a 2 down, finished green. And again, reversals on these can happen with any color. This could be red, and we still could reverse to the upside. It doesn't really matter. The green gives me more probability that it's going to trend higher, but it doesn't always happen, guys. So I will move this trigger in place, and then we can put our target here. And if we trigger on the day and hit 1 target, 2 targets, we are triggering the week long on CRM. And look at the time frame, full green to the upside outside of the year. So that is good news. That makes it a highly probable trade that we are going to trend up. Okay? Doesn't mean we are, but probabilities are higher for us to trend up than they are to go down. Okay, Wells Fargo has a 2 down green. So again, we're going to look for a 2-2 reversal on WFC. And I'm not even going to put that in there because when we move this trigger to here, and we can trigger calls at $40.02, we've got good time frame continuity. If we trigger here, our first target is the trigger for the weekly, okay? The weekly inside bar. So again, we can go to the weekly on WFC, and there's that inside bar. This is the live bar, okay? It's not a double inside bar. This is the inside bar from last week. This is the inside bar from this week, the live candle. We're looking for it to trend up through this pink line here, and that's exactly what I was showing you on the daily right here, okay? Trigger the day, trigger the week. Walmart, WMT. Walmart, same thing, 2 down green. So we're looking for a 2-2 reversal on Walmart. We will move this trigger. We'll put it in place together, okay? 126.31. First target 126.61. If you want to find other targets, you just have to go back and look for the next preceding wick. And there it is, 127.42 on Walmart. Good time frame to the upside on Walmart. ABNB, that's Airbnb, has an inside bar. And again, we know all about inside bars. We know it consolidates. We know it does not break the high or the low of the previous candle. And I don't remember if I told you guys this before, but when I'm looking at these inside bars, and if I said this already, I'm sorry, I look at them as a spring. Every time I see that yellow bar, I see a spring, a tight spring, a coiled spring. And when we let that go, we get an explosion to one side or the other. At least that's what we're hoping for, and that's what probability tells us. Okay? So we can look for breaks to the high side at 97.09 or puts to the low side at 93.27. And again, if we go back and look, this inside bar, we triggered to the downside, hit targets, and then came back through. So successful trade, and then you could have played the 50% coming back through the other range. This one, okay, triggered here. We opened here, came up, triggered, and hit targets. Okay, we actually hit 2 targets, okay, before we reversed back down. We'll try and look for one more inside bar here on Airbnb, and then we'll move on to AMC. Okay, and there's an inside bar there, break to the upside. Here's our magic beans again. You know, break to the downside, hit 1, 2, and I don't know how many more targets, but magic beans on Airbnb way back on May 20th. Okay, we'll move to AMC. Fast forward here. AMC, inside bars, we just talked about them. The other thing AMC has already done, this blue line is the trigger for the monthly. So we have broke that inside bar on the month, which was right here, and we are 2 up now. 2-1-2 reversal to the upside on AMC. So we'll see if this thing continues to trend up throughout the month. And we can find that right here if we want off of that inside bar. We don't have it marked. Let's mark it together. We'll take our drawing tool, mark it at $14.99. Okay, and then you guys can mark your first targets at the top of the preceding wick. Okay, and we've got full time frame outside of the year to the upside, which makes it a high probable play. Here's an inside bar, break to the high side, inside bar, break to the low side, inside bar, another break to the upside, inside bar, another break to the upside. Gold mines, guys. And no kidding, they're painted yellow. They are gold mines. They don't always work, but probabilities and history tells us that they're highly, highly likely to play out in our favor. Okay? Inside bar on Chewy. Not marked out. Let's mark them out together. Okay? Calls at 43.73 and puts at 41.84. And we've got this pink 2 down all the way down here. So let's see what happens on Chewy off of this inside bar. Okay? CL is Colgate Palmolive. Looks like a 2 down that finished green. So again, we can put our triggers in together. 79 bucks even. And first targets at... Mine might be a little off. I don't have the magnets on. So 79.54 is our first target off of this 2-2 reversal. Okay. Cisco, CSCO. Cisco has a 2 up that finished red. The problem is we've triggered to the upside on the weekly already. Doesn't mean that we can't trend down here, but we will. What we have set up here is looking for a 2 up, 2 down reversal on the day, despite what happened on the weekly here. Okay, so we can look for puts on this one at 43.07. KDP is Keurig Dr. Pepper. Keurig Dr. Pepper has a 2 up that finished red. We can mark that one out together as well. 36 bucks even for the puts. And this is what we have is a 3 outside bar, breaks the high and the low. 3, 2 up, 2 down reversal, a 3-2-2 reversal is what we're looking for on Keurig Dr. Pepper. Okay, and again, we can draw broadening formations on here. Doesn't matter where we draw them. Well, I don't want to say it doesn't matter where we draw them. It does. But you can draw them anywhere. Okay, so realistically, that could be our broadening formation. You could make that your broadening formation. It doesn't matter. Okay, but we've got higher highs and lower lows and higher highs. Where's the next two? Are we coming back down to this range here? History would tell us yes if we follow the broadening formation, but we'll see. We have an opportunity based off of this reversal setup to come back down. Okay? If you want to know how to draw broadening formations, I do have a video on it. Go to the learning tools, and I think it might be in the beginner learning tools as well. Search on my YouTube page, you will find it. Okay? Broadening formations. Moderna, mRNA, has an inside bar. We know all about inside bars. Okay, this is also setting up to be a pivot machine gun. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That's the exact setup you look for a PMG pivot machine gun. We will look for this thing to come back to the downside with puts. Let's mark it together. Puts at 171.29, and we still have the opportunity to trend back up though, with calls at 180.48, $180.48. Moderna has been on a run as of late, and here is the broadening formation we've been following: higher high, lower low, higher high, lower lows, higher highs. We'll see. We will see what happens on Tuesday, where this thing is going. Okay, is it a 2-1-2 continuation or a 2-1-2 reversal? Procter Gamble PG. PG has a 3-1 setup. We haven't talked about these a whole bunch, a little bit at the beginning. There's the yellow bar marking it. So if you guys are scrolling through your plays, you can find it very, very easily. You'll know it's there. Okay, outside bar, inside bar. Rare pattern, rare setup. We can mark our trigger to the upside at 146.56 and to the downside for puts at 144.68. If we go back to the last 3-1 setup we had, outside bar, inside bar, boom. Okay? For the win. And then you have all these other inside bars. For the win, boom. For the win, boom. Double inside bar. For the win, boom. Okay? Inside bar for the win. Inside bar, win. Inside bar, win. Inside bar. See this one, even this one gapped up, so not a win off the start. But again, inside bar to the upside. Inside bar, boom. Inside bar, boom. Inside bar, boom. Inside bars, guys. If you're new, if you're struggling, concentrate on the inside bars. It'll improve your trading game significantly, okay? But you got to know when to get in, and you got to know how to control your trades and manage your trades. I've got a ton of videos. Go to the trade review videos, any of them, okay? I show you guys how to manage the trades, where you could or possibly should put your stop losses, okay? The last one on the list, how much time do I got here? Running out. Nano Dimension. I put it on here because it was a double inside bar just for us to watch to see what happens. See if there's magic beans here. Okay? That's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Don't forget about the indicator link down below. The trading view link down below. Make sure you're subscribed. Watch the ads. And we will see you on the next one. Good luck trading Tuesday. Bye-bye.